Brazil. Brazil. Officially, the Federative Republic of Brazil is the largest country in South America and Latin America. At 8.5 million square kilometer and with over 208 million people, Brazil is the world's fifth largest country by area and the fifth most populous. But nowadays, Brazil has with over 211 people and sixth most populous, and its capital is Brasilia, and its most populous city is Sao Paulo. The federation is composed of the union of the 26 states, the federal district, and the 5,570 municipalities. Its states have autonomous administration, collects their own taxes, and receive a share of taxes collected by the federal government. They have a governor and a unicameral legislative body elected directly by their voters. It is also one of the most multicultural and ethnically diverse nations, due to over a century of mass immigration from around the world, as well as the most populous Roman Catholic majority country. Their motto has Odem e Progresso, which means order and progress. And their anthem is Hero Nacional Brasileiro, which means Brazilian National Anthem. And their president now is Jair Bolsonaro. Overview of police system. In Brazil, the federal constitution established 6 law enforcement constitution, 5 titulars, and 1 auxiliars. The titulars institution are the Federal Police, Federal Highway Police, Federal Railway Police, State Military Police and Fire Brigade, and State Civil Police. Of these, the first 3 are affiliated to federal authorities, and the latter 2 are subordinate to state governments. These public safety constitutions are part of the executive branch of government. Apart from these 5 constitutions, there are other with affiliation to municipal authorities, the municipal guards. Federal agencies. Federal Highway Police patrol federal highways, so supervise traffic, maintain orders, but does not investigate crime. Dito sa Federal Highway Police, sila ang taga-maintain or their main is fighting crime on Brazil federal roads and highways, as well as monitoring and supervising vehicular traffics, although it has also taken on duties that go beyond its original authority, such as action within Brazilian cities and forests in conjunction with other public safety agencies. Dito din, first Federal Police Force created in 1852. Their officers they have 11,157. Federal Police investigation of crime against federal government, combat drug trafficking and terrorism, including air and water policing. Federal Police, it is the responsible for combating crimes against federal institutions, international drug trafficking, terrorism, cybercrime, money laundering, immigration, border control, airport security, and maritime policing. It is subordinate to the Ministry of Justice and Public Security. Noong March 28, 1944, they FB formed. Federal Railway Police. Patrol Federal Railway System solely focus on order maintenance but does not investigate. Dito sa Federal Railway or Railroad Police, it is a police agency found in 1852 which is responsible for patrols and security on federal railways in Brazil. They have 3,000 sworn members. And John Ray Masigan will continue this topic. The state agencies. John Ray?
Hello, good day everyone. I'm John Ray Masigan, 2-2. This is the continuation of this topic. State agencies. Military Police and Fire Bridge is the state police charged with maintaining order. It patrols the street and imprisons suspects of criminal activity, handing them over to civil police custody or, in case federal crimes, to federal police. It is a militarized institution, gendarmerie, because it is based on military principle of hierarchy, uniform discipline, and ceremony. However, the body is not branch of Brazilian armed force. It is described by the constitution as an ancillary force of the army in time of war. The military fire bridge is a part of the military police, although it does not perform traditional policing duties. It is the subordinate of the state of government. Civil police is the state police with criminal law enforcement duties. It has the function of investigating crimes committed in violation of Brazilian criminal law. It does not patrol the street and generally does not use uniform. Like the military police, it isn't subordinate to the state of government. Their patrols are called rondas, English rounds, and there are 1,200 municipalities with municipal guards with more than 120,000 cooperative according with the Brazilian Institute of Geography and Statistics. Special units. Policia, civil police, is the name of the investigative state police force. Each state of Brazil has its own civil police departments, which carries out detective work and forensic and criminal investigation. Thanks for listening and watching. Hope you like it.